complete details in your 100 pesos down payment. Para di ma-cancel yung item at para makapag-mine pa sa next, madam. One time only, deductible to your invoice. Please check your messenger, Madam Asinum Sontek. Meron po kaming piname sa inyo, madam. Next, madam.
Madam, this one, medium. Medium, madam, for 60 pesos. Mine buhok, madam. Medium for 60 pesos. Mine buhok for only 60. Next, madam.
Mine buhok. Down this one, 60 pesos, madam. Medium. Medium, madam, for 60. Mine screenshot. Mine screenshot, medium, madam. To semi-large for 60 pesos. Mine screenshot for 60. Mine screenshot. Madam Fifth, napasend na lang po kami ng, ng screenshot. Yung my reference number po, Madam Fifth. Okay, next na, madam.
Madam, this one, XL. XL, madam, for 60 pesos. Mine payong. Mine payong, madam. XL for 60 pesos. Mine payong for only 60. Next naman.
Mine payong. O, now this one, Sami-Med. Sami-Med, madam, for 60 pesos. Mine bagul. Mine bagul, madam, for only 60 pesos. Mine bagul, small tea Sami-Med. For only 60 pesos, mine bagul. Mine bagul. Next, madam. Madam Fifth, if kung tapos na po kayo mag-down payment, huwag niyo pong kalimutan mag-send na screenshot ng mga kasi no screenshot, equivalent to no payment, madam, or no down payment. Next, madam.
Madam, this one, XL. XL, madam, for 60 pesos. Mine reply. Mine reply, madam. XL for 60 pesos. Mine reply for only 60. Next, madam.
My reply, down this one, pabakuna. Medium to large pabakuna for only 60. Mine understand. Mine understand, medium to large for only 60 pesos. Mine understand, medium to large for only 60 pesos. Mine understand. Mine understand, medium to large, 60. Next, madam.
Mine understand. Down this one, medium. Medium, madam, for 60 pesos. Mine community. Mine community, madam. Medium for 60 pesos. Mine community for only 60. Next, madam.
My community. Next, madam.
Why not?
O, down this one for 60 pesos. Medium to semi-large. Medium to semi-large. Mayan suga. Madam Christy D, yours is the understand. Please go screenshot. 1 to 3, 1 to 3. O, down medium to semi-large, 60 pesos. Mine Bugatti. Mine Bugatti. Medium to semi-large, 60 pesos. Mine Bugatti. Medium to semi-large. For only 60. Bugatti. Next na, madam. Madam Faithful Katan, thank you sa pag-down payment, madam. Enjoy morning, madam.
Madam, this one, XL. XL, madam, for 60 pesos. Mine Aguila. Mine Aguila, madam. XL for 60 pesos. Mine Aguila for only 60. Next time, madam.
Mine Aguila. O, down this one, small. Small, madam, for only 60 pesos. Mayan. Look hot for only 60 pesos. Mine look hot small madam for only 60 pesos. Mine look hot small madam 60. Mine look hot small 60. Look hot next time, madam.
Mine look at for only 60. Madam Chris D, or si Aguila, madam, please screenshot 1 to 3, 1 to 3. Next, madam. Madam, this one, medium. Medium, madam, for 60 pesos. Mine tube, madam, small to medium for 60 pesos. Mine tube for only 60. Next, madam. Mine tube for only 60.
Oh, down this one, small tea Sammy man. Small tea Sammy for only 60 pesos. Madam Faith, thank you sa pag-down payment. Enjoy mining, Madam Faith. Oh, down this one, small tea Sammy man. Mine, thank you. Mine, thank you. Small tea Sammy man for only 60 pesos. Mine, thank you. Mine, thank you. Small tea Sammy man. Huh?
Yun ang mag-exchange.
For only 60 pesos. Mine, thank you. Mine, thank you. Next na, madam. Lucas. Si Lucas. Madam Faith, ano po yung si Lucas? Ano po yung si Lucas, Madam Faith?
Okay, kung ano, last copy yung sa atin.
Ha?
Na kay Lucas?
Kaya na si ate nga, diliwan daw. Puro punta nga.
Next na, madam. For only 60 pesos.
Sunod ako, bibili ako ng suhatan. Wag ka din, eh. Wala mo ito plaki. Sa kang hapon, 1 agad.
Si Lucas. Siya last ko ganun.
Madam Maria Oliva, thank you sa pag-down payment, madam. Enjoy your money, madam.
Yes, Madam Faith. Mga bago pa po, madam. Pero need po siya i-wash before use po, madam, ha? O, madam, next na, madam. For only 60 pesos. So, for madam, hindi naman siya mabaho at hindi po siya makate. O, madam, this one for only 60 pesos up to large. Large, madam, mine before. Mine before up to large, madam, for only 60 pesos. Mine before up to large, madam, 60. Mine before large, 60. Next na, madam.
Mayan before. O, down this one, small to medium. Small to medium for 60 pesos. Mayan kahoy. Mayan kahoy, madam. Small to medium for 60 pesos. Mayan kahoy for only 60. Next one, madam.
Mayan kahoy, dam dress. Dress, madam, for... Madam, Faith, sino po nag-flex? Ako or si Madam siya? O, dam, this one, medium dress po siya. My Simba. My Simba, medium, madam, 60 pesos. My Simba, medium, madam, for 60 pesos. My Simba, up to medium, for 60. My Simba, dress. Next na, madam.
Mayan Simba for only 60. O, down this one, large. Large, madam, for 60 pesos. Mayan kamote. Mayan kamote, madam. Large for 60 pesos. Mayan kamote for only 60. Next na, madam.
My kamote, madam, Maria Gracia, yours na si Simba, please go screenshot 1 to 3, 1 to 3. O, dam, this one for 60 pesos. Dam, medium. Medium, madam, for 60. Mine Tagalog. Mine Tagalog, up to medium for 60 pesos. Mine Tagalog, medium, madam, 60. Tagalog, next na, madam.
Mayan Tagalog for only 60. Down this one, medium to semi-large. Medium to semi-large for 60 pesos. My numero. My numero, madam. Medium to semi-large for 60 pesos. My numero for only 60. Next na, madam.
Maya numero.
Ano ko nahirapan na din yung
Oh, grabe naman kayo sa UE, madam. Uy, dam, this one small. Ganito talaga kami magsalita, dam, ha? Since before pa, madam, since nag-start, ganito na talaga kami magsalita. Dam, this one, Sammy Mad. Sammy Mad, madam, for only 60 pesos. My salute. My salute, small cheese Sammy Mad, for only 60 pesos. My salute, small cheese Sammy Mad, 60. My salute, small cheese Sammy Mad, 60 pesos. Salute, next na, madam.